Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming OptiFine is active in your Minecraft launcher. This is essential because the Cape loader hooks into that mod. Once that's done, prepare a 64 by 32 PNG Cape image and keep it under about 100 KB to avoid upload issues. Make sure you can access your Mojang or Microsoft account credentials and separately your OptiFine account login. You'll need both to register and link the Cape quickly. Now move to uploading. You sign into OptiFine. Net using your OptiFine account, then go straight to your profile where the upload control lives. Once there, click Upload Cape, pick the 64 x 32 PNG you prepared, and give it a short, unique name so you can recognize it later. After confirming, OptiFine processes the file. This usually takes just a few seconds. Make sure to choose the correct Cape slot if multiple options exist, and don't navigate away until the success message appears. You launch Minecraft on the OptiFine profile, because only that build reads custom capes. Once in-game, check options right arrow skin customization or the multiplayer player list and enable show cape so your new image is visible. If the cape doesn't appear immediately, log out and log back in, clear your game cache, or re-upload the PNG using a slightly different name. Sometimes processing or caching is the issue. That single troubleshooting step resolves most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.